kids, do you have a backpack like this one to take to school with you? Isn't it brilliant? Let's draw it. We start by drawing the outline with a black pen. Then we do the top part and we're going to do a buckle. Then we're going to do detail on the bottom half. A pocket with a zip and a love heart. Then we're going to do the back side of the bag. And then the straps. Carry handle too. And then we're going to draw a lovely decoration. Can you guess what it is? That's right! It's a panda! Brilliant! Right, ready to paint, starting with yellow. Bottom half of the backpack's going to be this gorgeous, bright, sparkly yellow. Staying in between the lines and going around the other sections. There we go, almost there. Right, time for red. We're going to paint the top half of our backpack. Going around the panda and the buckle. Nice curvy lines. Filling it in. And the other side. Brilliant. Yes, you've done it. Well done. Pink next. Let's do a pink mouth for Mr. Panda and a pink pocket. Going around the love heart and the zip. Brilliant! And green. We'll do the inner ears of the panda and the handle green. And why not have a green love heart? Who says it has to be red, hey? Back to yellow for the outer ears of Mr. Panda Bear. And brown for his nose. Now it's time for purple for the bottom back part of our backpack. Both sides. For the buckle too. And finally, blue for the straps. Wow, doesn't this look super colourful and sparkly? Would you like a backpack like this? I bet all your school friends would just love it. There, all done. Amazing. Now think what you're going to put in it.